Hey guys, it's Joelle and we are here in the beautiful Napa, California, and we've been testing out the Asus Zenfone 5Q for the past few days. One function we've had a lot of fun playing around with is the camera, and this camera is really remarkable because it has 4 lenses, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. So it has a really cool wide angle feature that you can use to get all your friends in the selfies and take some really beautiful wide landscape shots. It's also known for its beauty mode, so it smooths out that skin, it gives you a nice glow. And now let's put on beauty mode.
Oh, but let's see the difference. I can't tell the difference.
I can't. Our skin looks nice.
It does.
Flawless, guys.
It kind of got rid of like the shine on my forehead
rid of
from the
all my
oil.
There are no wrinkles.
You can adjust how intensely you want it to beautify your photos, which is a lot of fun. So we've been taking it around and taking some great shots with it. You can customize the ISO and all of that in the Pro setting.
It's pretty cool.
I was not expecting that at all. Exposure, white balance. Wow! I was not expecting that in a little phone camera. Very nice. You want to see? That's my salad. Right now we're just waiting for the sun to set, and we're gonna toast some s'mores on the campfire over there and test out its low light capabilities.
Testing out the video capabilities of the Zenfone.
Yeah. And low light.
Yeah, in low light, let's see how it does. So far, I'm liking it, but we'll check it out on the computer and see if there's any noise. And I'll put text at the bottom based on my thoughts. And in that case, if it's bad, I won't show it because we're only highlighting extraordinary tech.
Wow.
So it has a really cool wide angle feature that you can use to get all your friends in the selfies and take some really beautiful wide landscape shots. It's also known for its beauty mode, so it smooths out that skin, it gives you a nice glow.